Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and today I am sharing with you a home and lifestyle haul, and this is mainly from Kmart, but I do have a couple of sneaky pieces from a company called Burga. I hope I'm saying it right. And I also have another couple of pieces from Provincial Living. So if you are new here, I do home organizing, decorating, cleaning, or pretty much anything on the realms of home improvement. So if you love that stuff, that's your jam, please consider hitting the subscribe button, and let's just quickly jump into this haul. So I might actually start off with the Kmart products, and the first one that I got, which this one has been in for ages, it's called the popcorn hand towel, and this is what it is here. It's got some beautiful colors, very neutral, and then it's got some beautiful tassels on the end there, or sort of like tassel things. I'm a sucker for anything that's with like tassel things, if you know me. So I had to have this, but I don't think I'm going to use this as a hand towel. I originally actually bought this to use as a tea towel. Then today, I happened to see terry toweling tea towels. Yeah. Anyway, enough said there. I probably should have waited. I got this Terrazzo tray, another thing that has been in for a while. It's got a beautiful lip on it as well, and it's that smooth material, so it should be pretty easy to wash if I need to wash it. And I've actually bought this to put in my hand soap. So what's been happening is the hand soap in the kitchen has been leaking everywhere, and it's driving me nuts because obviously it's going into the sink and I'm constantly cleaning it, and also, you know, you wash your fruit and veg in there, it's a bit gross. Anyway, this is why I bought this, so it gets contained in here a little bit. And I did end up buying some more hand soap, but if it leaks, I've still got somewhere for it to go. The next product is actually something that I purchased for a client, but I'll share it with you anyway, which is these 2-pack of shelf dividers. You can see from the back what they look like. So they're great for books, handbags, and just like clothes. So if you've got like a leaning trapeze with your clothes, they're always falling down and they're an absolute mess, these are a really good option. Now I must admit, I actually haven't tried these before. I've seen them, but I've never tried them, but I love the clear aesthetic of them. And this is what they look like taken out of the packaging as well. So you can have a good look. It's got a little square there. I don't know if that's, you could probably put a little label on it or something if you wanted to. But yeah, it just clips onto your shelf, and it's got a little adjuster, I believe, on there as well. So if you've got different size shelvings, it should also fit. Next product for the house that I'm doing at the moment is these packet of flocked hangers. So if you have a very small wardrobe or you're lacking storage space, then these are perfect. These were $10 for the pack of 30. So I'll grab one out for you so you can have a look. So this is what they look like. And these are great because they're non-slip. They're very thin profile, so that's why I bought it, so then we can fit more into the wardrobe. Okay, the next product from Kmart. I purchased this one. This is for a room makeover I am doing. It is not actually in my house. Again, this is for a client. So the brief is basically a very neutral aesthetic. So they want very light and airy, but modern as well. So this is what it looks like all put together. How beautiful is that? It's so beautiful. Probably the only bad thing is it's got no drainage hole, but to be honest, you could probably just put a pot inside a pot, which is often what I do anyway. Or you could just put a fake one in here as well. Being so high up, I find that there's the ones that I often kill because they're just too much effort. So yeah, this is absolutely stunning, isn't it? How beautiful. Okay, so I've been trying to get back into my running. I was like a ridiculously super fit person before I had Talia, and I had really good abs, and I miss those days. I miss being strong. So I decided that I'm going to get back into my running again and just try and get that fitness up before I start getting into sort of more like resistance or weight training or anything like that. So I got this really beautiful leopard print yoga mat. How gorgeous is it? Now it's actually got this like fluffy bit on the outside, so it's not like rubber, it's like a little bit furry. It's just so beautiful. I had to have it. I'm a sucker for anything leopard print, usually not in the pink, but it was gorgeous. It was a little bit pricier for Kmart, so it was $25, where I think their basic yoga mats are $10, which are sort of this sort of thing. The other product, which is a practical product, is this phone arm band. So this will help me when I'm going running, and also if I'm like cleaning a house or something like that, I can have this on my arm and I can have my headphones in and be listening to music or a podcast or, you know, Audible, whatever I want to do. Now, on the topic of phones, this is a product that I got from the company called Burga, and oh my gosh, they're so beautiful. But I must say, they look really glossy on the website. So they're not glossy, they are definitely a matte. In saying that, they're still amazing. They are amazing quality. So you can see the sides has like this non-slip grippy thing, and then it's got like a slight, what do you call it, like edging on the outside. So these are sort of like life-proof case. They're supposed to be, because they're the elite ones, but they're like a fancy version. So how beautiful is that? So you can see it's raised as well, so it does protect the cameras that are on the back here, because this is the iPhone 13 Pro Max and it protects that. So absolutely beautiful packaging, so that would also make a great gift as well. And then you can see it's got the felt on the inside as well. And yeah, this is so beautiful. So that's that one. Quality is so good because I've been dropping this flat out and it hasn't got any scratches on it. So I don't feel that I'm going to need 4. So this is the other one. And as I said on the website, they look really sparkly, but they're actually really matte. So that's that one. And then I got this one as well. So I might keep this one. It's a bit pretty, but I'm not sure. One thing to keep in mind is that these are an overseas company, so they do take that bit longer to get to you, unfortunately. Now, I'm up to the stuff from Provincial Living. I did not clean this before I showed you this. I have been using it. It is the English Pear hand wash. Oh my gosh, it is to die for. It smells amazing. I actually have it in a hand sanitizer, so if you ever go into the shop and you put the hand sanitizer on, it's actually the English Pear scent. The one in my town is anyway, the English Pear scent. So I have the hand sanitizer, smells amazing, and I had to go and get the hand wash. Now, the best thing I loved about the hand sanitizer is it doesn't dry my hands out and it doesn't give me eczema, because I do get really bad eczema on my hands if I'm not careful about what I use. The other thing that I got from there was just a simple coffee mug, and this one sort of reminds me of Easter. It's a beautiful blush colour with the spots. I just think it's gorgeous, and I did have these for about a month before I went and bought another couple, because I have had some really bad luck with coffee mugs in the past where I bought a set and they're all the same, and I was so excited and they're really pretty. Put them in the dishwasher or washed them a few times and they've already got chips. So these ones here have been great, at dishwasher safe as well, and also microwave safe, which is cool if you like to microwave your cups. So guys, that is pretty much all I have to share with you today. So I hope you've enjoyed today's video, and of course if you have, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bells. And if you do want to catch up with me, I do have a Facebook page and an Instagram page where you can also catch me on throughout the week. And I will catch up with you guys next week for a new video. I'll see you then. Bye.